Oh! Oh, it's running. It's running really good. Okay, we're hooked up to this sailfish. I'm trying to get this one his whole life pretty much. This is the first one I ever actually hooked up with the sailfish on the kayak. He's really close to me, Eric. I see it right here. It's right here. It's right here. There it is. All right, that's good. Oh! Do one more for us? Yes. I have no idea if I'm getting them. Hold on, here comes the wild ride. You got players handy? Yeah, right here.
You're so lucky you didn't lose this fish.
Really? Oh yeah, that is really lucky.
Take these.
Got it.
This rod up.
Okay. So, did it. Woo! That's awesome.
Good job, dude.
Thank you.
Fourth time's
Woo!
a charm.
22 trips for now. Just got our first sailfish ever on a kayak. By myself, it was awesome. Couldn't do it without Eric. There he is right there. Bring over to you. Ah! Not bad.
What do you got?
Right there. Squirmy. Boom,
There
got
we're
it.
looking. We got it.
All right, we just hooked up to a sailfish. Eric, I was letting out my bait and it started running. All right, huge complication. What happened was I was letting out my bait and I felt it and it got heavier and heavier and heavier and I was like, what is going on? And the second I put it on lock, just like start fishing, it started screaming right now. It's a nice sailfish. Jumped a couple of times already. Fishing all day, haven't had a hit. Got one. He's on the surface again. Lifting up. Oh! He's super blue. His tail's super blue. Oh my gosh, he's literally 2 feet beneath the surface. Oh. Ah! Oh shit. Do it again. Alright, from the other side. There you go.
Grab it.
All right. Yep, just kidding.
Watch that rod, it'll break. It's gonna jump again, isn't it?
No, it's probably done. It's on its side. Got it.
Hold on tight. Don't lean.
Move that hand. Yeah, underneath.